Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is April 1st, 2021, and we'll be driving around the city of San Francisco, California. We begin on I-80, headed west across the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge. The original bridge that existed here was a double-decker and was heavily damaged in the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake when portions of the upper deck collapsed onto the lower deck. The new eastern section opened September 2, 2013 at a reported cost of over $6.5 billion. Unlike the western section and the original eastern section of the bridge, the new eastern section is a single deck with the eastbound and westbound lanes on each side, making it the world's widest bridge. Midway across the bay, we touch down onto Yerba Buena Island and go through a short tunnel before resuming the trip across the water. Now we're on the older western section of the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge. This section is a double suspension bridge with two decks, westbound traffic being carried on the upper deck while eastbound is carried on the lower one. We enter the city and county of San Francisco, a cultural, commercial, and financial center in Northern California. San Francisco is the 16th most populous city in the United States and the 4th most populous in California, with 881,549 residents as of 2019. Tourism is one of the city's largest private sector industries, accounting for more than 1 out of 7 jobs in the city. The city's frequent portrayal in music, film, and popular culture has made the city and its landmarks recognizable worldwide. In 2016, it attracted the 5th highest number of foreign tourists of any city in the United States. More than 25 million visitors arrived in San Francisco in 2016, adding $9.96 billion to the economy. Some of the most popular tourist attractions in San Francisco noted by the Travel Channel include the Golden Gate Bridge in Alamo Square Park, which is home to the famous Painted Ladies. Both of these locations were often used as landscape shots for the hit American sitcom Full House. Tourists also visit Pier 39, which offers dining, shopping, entertainment, and views of the bay, sunbathing seals, and the famous Alcatraz Island. We're driving along the San Francisco waterfront on the Embarcadero, where we'll see the Ferry Plaza Farmers Market and the various piers of the Port of San Francisco. Now we're going to drive through a residential area in the neighborhood of Russian Hill. The neighborhood is most famous for Lombard Street, the one-way section on Russian Hill between Hyde and Leavenworth Streets, in which the roadway has 8 sharp turns or switchbacks that have earned the street the distinction of being the crookedest street in the world. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Now we're on US Highway 101, and in a couple of minutes we'll be crossing the famous Golden Gate Bridge, which spans the mile-wide Golden Gate Strait that connects the San Francisco Bay to the Pacific Ocean. The Frommer's Travel Guide describes the Golden Gate Bridge as possibly the most beautiful, certainly the most photographed bridge in the world. At the time of its opening in 1937, it was both the longest and the tallest suspension bridge in the world, with a main span of 4,200 feet and a total height of 746 feet. The bridge features a movable median barrier between the lanes, which is moved several times daily to conform to traffic patterns. On weekday mornings, traffic flows mostly southbound into the city, so 4 of the 6 lanes run southbound. Conversely, on weekday afternoons, 4 lanes run northbound. During off-peak periods and weekends, traffic is split with 3 lanes in each direction. We conclude today's video in our San Francisco City tour here at this crappy motel, which we may or may not do a review of. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.